Amber Heard seems super dedicated to her role as Mera in the upcoming Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, or Aquaman 2. Heard has been showing off her training for James Wan's highly anticipated sequel, and in between training for her role, she has been sharing some sweet photos with her new baby. From what we've seen, Heard definitely seems to be built for superhero training. However, there was one time during which one of the actresses' Aquaman 2 workouts was totally interrupted by an uninvited guest. Amber Heard hoping third's a charm as legal team tries to get Johnny Depp's $50 million lawsuit tossed. You would think these superhero-related workouts would involve a lot of heavy weights and super serious exercises. However, Amber Heard continues to debunk that with her new workout video. But while the DC Extended Universe star tackles this most recent workout like a champ, the aforementioned uninvited guest tried to make things a bit more challenging for her. Being a celebrity is a tricky thing, as your personal relationships can become very public affairs. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp know this all too well, as the former couple is consistently making headlines due to their ongoing legal battle. Now, Heard seemingly hopes third time's the charm, as her legal team tries to get Depp's $50 million lawsuit tossed. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp have been battling in court for years, and are showing no signs of slowing down. Depp recently lost his libel case against the Sun across the pond, and was promptly fired from his role as Grindelwald in Fantastic Beasts 3. Now, it seems that Heard's team is hoping that legal victory in the UK might result in Depp's defamation lawsuit against the Aquaman actress being dismissed as well. This latest update comes to us from Courthouse News, which revealed how the proceedings in court went down yesterday. One of Amber Heard's lawyers attempted to use the verdict in the UK as an indication that she shouldn't be sued for defamation. Obviously, Depp's team has hit back, so it remains to be seen if the third attempt for the case to be dismissed is successful. The case across the pond came when UK outlet The Sun referred to Johnny Depp as a wife-beater in a story. Depp ultimately lost his libel case, which has the potential to be a major victory for Amber Heard's legal team. It all depends on if the courts in the US take this ruling into consideration, or if the defamation case continues its journey in court. Amber Heard's time as Mera in the DCU is currently available on HBO Max. You can use this link to sign up for the streaming service. As Amber Heard and Johnny Depp continue to battle in court, it'll be interesting to see if or how their respective careers are affected by the controversy. For Depp's part, he was asked to step down from his role in the Fantastic Beasts franchise shortly after the libel case's verdict came in. Mads Mikkelsen was brought in to replace him as Grindelwald, although the actor was reportedly still paid for the gig. While Amber Heard hasn't lost any job yet, some moviegoers have been campaigning for her to be replaced as Mera in the DC Extended Universe. An online petition is gearing 2 million signatures, although clearly the studio hasn't made that decision. Heard recently played her character in the Snyder Cut reshoots, and will also reprise Mera in Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, which recently started production. Only time will tell how the ongoing legal battle with Johnny Depp and Amber Heard ultimately plays out. In the meantime, check out the 2021 movie release dates to plan your next movie experience. Amber Heard can be seen doing gymnast flips on rings, and it honestly looks really fun but tough. The balance and strength required to perform on rings is crazy, but the results of such a workout are sure to be great for anyone who does them consistently. In this case, it's hard not to applaud Heard for her efforts, even when she can't fully flip over by herself. It's also funny to see her trainer both help and distract her while she performs those feats. As Mera, Amber Heard performed some impressive stunts in the original Aquaman movie, but this workout routine could indicate that she's going to do even more when it comes to the sequel. It'll be interesting to see how Aquaman 2 plans to test the character on a physical level, and maybe the distractions from her trainer will help in the long run. It goes without say that Mera and Jason Momoa's Arthur Curry do have to deal with a number of factors while performing heroics on screen after all. The entire cast of Aquaman 2 is very dedicated to getting into their best superhero shape. Patrick Wilson is taking his workout cues from Jason Momoa and isn't shy about posting workout photos with his co-star. And recently, the pair have been working out together even more as filming has commenced for the Aquaman sequel. Considering that director James Wan has been promising a bigger and better movie, it only makes sense that the actors would want to ultimately create bigger and better versions of themselves. Staying in shape all the time can be taxing on stars, as even Jason Momoa has recently explained why he hasn't been feeling superhero ripped ahead of Aquaman 2. Still, he seems to have picked things up with production now in full swing. In addition, Yahya Abdul-Mateen II had fun preparing for the sequel, but he's also making time to recover from his work days, and doesn't mind posting a thirst trap when doing so. Between Momoa, Abdul-Mateen II, and Amber Heard, that's a lot of fitness inspiration to last the rest of summer, which should make the Aquaman sequel that much better. The now divorced pair are in the middle of a defamation lawsuit filed by Johnny Depp against Amber Heard. As part of that suit, they have both provided photos of bruises and other evidence of abuse alleged by the other. In this case, the audio shared, if it's what it seems to be, shows Heard admitting she hit Depp, but didn't punch him in her words, and previously threw pots and pans. When she said he hit back, he admitted he pushed her. Listening to the conversation via audio given to Daily Mail, it sounds like they both acknowledge taking actions in anger at different times, with Amber Heard calling Johnny Depp a hypocrite and both agreeing they need to stop the physical violence before they turned into a crime scene and kill each other. But since Johnny Depp's $50 million defamation case was tied to Amber Heard's op-ed piece about being a domestic abuse survivor, which he claimed directly led to him being fired from Pirates of the Caribbean, and this particular conversation centered around a fight Heard allegedly started, her admissions of violence were viewed by Depp's fans as vindication. During the conversation released to the Daily Mail, Amber Heard and Johnny Depp tried to find a place of agreement to stop being physical and find peace in the relationship. Here are snippets of the alleged transcript.